Bitch talk so much shit, but she ain't gon' say no. I'm with the lace front with the brown at the top and the tail at the bottom like crayon.
I got two pretty bitches, keep them up on fleek. They got matching beans and matching AP. Now they can really call each other twins. I'm cool with all that.
Hey, that's TTM sauce. What with it?
I know Shawty's blown because I know she ain't get to the party yet, and she did that. Hit somebody.
This is Henny. No, you ate her wings.
No, I did not.
I'm drinking with my Asia. Good morning, y'all. It's Renee, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm about to go in the kitchen and I'm about to start cooking breakfast. Today I'm going to be cooking me a bagel, bacon, egg, and cheese. I never cooked one before, so we just go get right into that. Alright, y'all, so I'm getting dressed right now. I'm ready to go to this darty, so I'm just getting dressed and shit. I really don't know what I want to wear yet. I know for a fact I want to wear these two religion wings, but it's kind of cold, so I think I might have to wear a hoodie and put on this. See? Okay, y'all, so I'm finally dressed and I'm ready to go. So I got on, gotta be quick, you know. Savannah was kind enough to let me wear her hoodie. So I got that on, and then I got the True Religion cargo jeans on or whatever. Kasubi bag, my Asics on. I think it's pretty cute. I think it's cute. I should take a shot before I leave. So we going to the party or whatever. The entrance to the party is a whole accident. I know Shawty's blown because I know she ain't get to the party yet, and she did that. Hit somebody. Like,
Talk so much shit, but she ain't gon' say no. I'm with the lace front with the brown at the top and the tail at the bottom like crayon.
Hey, that's TTM sauce. What with it?
That's wings you got.
This is Henny.
Okay, so I got the Hennessy wings, right? They couldn't put my ranch on the side, y'all. Don't do too much. Like, oh my god, I feel like these bitches gonna be bum. I seen so many people eating them tonight.
I'm ready to taste these wings, right? I'm almost done with this squid juice or whatever, and then I'm gonna get a refill. Y'all, why the fuck they ain't got chairs and shit out here, like seating tables? They just got all these motherfucking vendors and trucks. But like I said, my ranch just
that shit mixed all in. Yeah.
It's all on all my wings. Do I got my hand sanitizer? Let me see. Oh yeah, I got some, y'all. Get into it. I told him to give me all flats. So taste one. I'll probably eat the rest later or so, because these bitches is cold. These bitches bomb. If they was hot, they'll be even more bomb. But these bitches cold. I want some fries. Bruh. I'm being big.
I'm ready to try the roll right here. This is the pack that I got.
I rolled my shit and realized I ain't had no fucking lighter. Somebody went and got a lighter, bro.
What's up, y'all? It's Renee. I'm here and I'm doing a voiceover because my dumb ass recorded everything in slow motion, so let's get into it. That's my cousin Fu. We were showing our drinks. This is some part of the party, basically just one section of it. It was so many fucking people there, y'all. It don't make no sense. I'm so mad that I recorded everything in slow motion. But yeah, y'all, this is actually when we came back from Walgreens because we left the party to go to the bathroom because my cousin had to pee so fucking bad. This is her dancing. Yeah, dude in the glasses, that was my cameraman for the night, and her, she's just a pretty girl that got into the video. I told him to record this water fountain because I was like, yeah, get that. These just some more pretty girls that got into the video. Yeah, she was clocking somebody's tea. I don't know what she said, but yeah. He was doing an interview. They said that the party was real good. It was cool, whatever. It was fun. It was a blast. But yeah, this is us leaving the party. They took that shit basically on the street, so we was dead ass on the street just vibing and chilling and listening to music and shit whole time, so I'm gonna let y'all hear that.
Wow.
On Nick Uzi, how about the bird? Why they always on the... What you gonna do when them niggas out telling lies or putting they shit on the shirt?
Okay, y'all, so whole time earlier, y'all remember when I said that I wanted to eat my wings later and I only ate one wing? I literally only ate one wing and then I left it in these dumbasses' car. So when I went back to their car to get my wings, they was fucking gone. And I knew somebody ate them, and this is dead as the proof. I'm gonna let y'all listen. Mind y'all, I was not in the car when this conversation was had.
Yes, she ate your wings.
Oh, yeah, right, bro.
But
no, you ate her wings.
No,
or
I
twin
did
ate
not.
her wings, and they just feel very.
Now I ate them.
They feel very sad and mean
I feel
about
bad.
it.
I feel bad.
He feel bad that he did.
Ain't say I ate them. I said
but he feels so horrible.
I feel so bad though.
After that, my camera had ended up going dead, but we ended up riding around with my cousin, and we were just listening to music, vibing to his shit, and he had ended up getting a wine bottle. We went to Belle Isles, we went to go see some mansions down in Shore Pub. We were just doing a whole lot of shit, whole lot of riding around.
All the sunshine, everything like in real life, I don't care for a punchline.
Good morning, y'all. Y'all can already tell I'm in the gym. I haven't been in here in so fucking long. I ain't even go cap it to y'all. I'm feeling good today. I woke up on the right side of the bed today, so I was like, let me do a little gym workout today. Yeah, I ain't gonna do no crazy ass workout today because this is my first day back in like, I'm gonna say about 2-3 weeks. So I'm just gonna keep it simple. I just want to get in. I need to get back in routine with my gym.
See, I'm losing on my focus. If you choosing, am I chosen? Cruising in this cold Benz. Soon picking up your friends. Give me dirty looks, cause they know a lot. 100 with you, yeah, they know I'm not. Give it 25, not a whole lot. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap. Roses running out, I keep looking at you.
I don't remember being this tired during workouts. Like, I'm tired as hell.
Stuck on your phone and stuck in zone. You don't ever come out of you. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me.
Basically, so I went to the gym or whatever, and I just got home. Well, I ain't just get home, but I didn't get in the shower and all of that shit. I don't even know what I'm finna be doing for the rest of the day. Like I told y'all, I don't know if I'm going to that party tonight or not. I really probably don't. Like, I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. I be wanting to be in. I don't be wanting to be in the house all the time. I be wanting to be. When I want to be in the house, I want to be in the house. But when I want to be outside, I want to be outside. Like, but I know that I'm cooking later on tonight. I want pasta so bad. I've been wanting pasta so bad. So we go be cooking pasta. I know y'all probably seen me cook that a million times. I don't care. Like, I don't care. I'm just gonna see y'all when I see y'all.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Guys, need your baby till I got lost, find me dead. And I lost focus, I had to locate it. But did you notice, baby? Right now I'm focused, baby. I'm focused right now. Look at this, you know it now. Maybe we should slow it down. Must be bigger, cause I feel strippers tonight. We shared in some midnights. We shared a story.
Alright, y'all, so this was the day of Shamrock the Block. We couldn't go on the actual block because we had some shit on us. So basically, this is us hating from outside of the fucking club. We ended up going to this place that we found nearby. It's called Easy Burger. I never heard of this before, but the shit looked so good. We ended up getting these loaded cheese fries and then this fried pickle ranch. She said that she had to smell it. That shit was so good. Like, we teared that shit up. That shit was bomb. After that, we ended up in my mama's section, and they was just passing Don Julio shots back to back, so we ended up leaving them after a while. This is Coco, a pit bull, and then this is Capu, a cane corso. Me, my girlfriend, and some friends ended up going to my house so that we can smoke and take a couple shots real quick before we left back out. Went back into the streets, you know what I mean? Yeah, so this was us on our way to Crab to Crab. Y'all know the first thing I was looking at was them drinks. Then I ended up, just browsing the menu. This is the drinks and the menu and all of that. This is a seafood place. I ended up getting this drink. It was like a Don Julio margarita or something. I don't know. It was huge. And then I just got Cajun seafood rice.
Man, do you record? I sure do.
I'm drinking with my age. I'm drinking with my age.
Alright.
Sit down at 8. 7.
6. Wait, let's stop at 5. Let's start over. She give you whole minutes. Like, what the fuck? Mia, shut up.
Y'all, I can't never play that goddamn game. It always take me so long to get my drink down. Like, don't never count to 8 with me. But we ended up leaving there, and that's the end of this vlog, y'all. I love y'all so much. Bye.